Ito ang pinakaunang laban ni Mel Pardo sa bansang Japan at isang nakakakilabot na record ng kalaban ang kanyang makakaharap. Dalawa lang kasi sa mga nagtangkang talunin itong Thai boxer ang maswerteng di nakatulog sa lakas ng kamao nito at umabot ang desisyon sa kamay ng mga hurado. Kung record naman kasi ang titignan ay talaga namang di biro itong makakalaban ni Mel Pardo na si Tanong Sak Simsre. Mala Edwin Valero ang lakas ng mga kamao. Dalawang Pinoy na din ang kanyang tinalo, kaya naman sa weigh-in nila ay tila masyadong kumpiyansa na itong Thai boxer. Kung experience naman kasi ang titignan ay wala pa sa kalahati ang bilang ng mga laban ni Pardo. Itong mga laban ng pambato ng Thailand, 33 na mga laban na ang kinasahan nito. May record itong 32 wins, 1 loss, 30 via knockout, habang 13 na laban pa lang si Pardo at may record na 11 wins, 1 loss, 2 tabla, 10 via knockout. Ang pagkakapareho lang nila ay pareho silang knockout artist. Sa huling 8 laban nitong Thai boxer ay lahat pinanalo niya via TKO, habang ang huling 8 laban naman ni Pardo ay 7 tinudas niya via TKO, isa ang draw. Kaya isang umaatikabong bakbakan talaga ang mangyayari sa dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona. Kanino kaya sa dalawa ang matutulog at uuwing luhaan pagkatapos ng bakbakan? Bago ang nasabing laban ay sabay-sabay muna nating balikan ang huling 4 na laban ni Mel Pardo na kung saan TKO ang inabot ng mga kalaban sa bagsik ng kamao nitong ating pambato. Lahat first round lang, bagsak na ang mga ito. Una, John Paul Gabonilas na pambato ng Cebu. 3 beses tinumba ni Mel Pardo sa unang round lang ng kanilang laban.
Let's go! First round knockout! Go! Nice! Wow! Wow! Wow!
Man, timing! Timing! Man, drop!
Let's go! Let's go! Wow! 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 Let's go!
Pangalawa ay itong si Sarawat Jamtong na pambato ng Thailand. 10 segundo lang ang itinagal nito sa unang round. Pinatulog agad ito ni Pardo. Pangatlo ay itong pambato ng Negros Occidental na si Richard Claveras. Tinamaan sa bodega. Luhod ito kay Pardo sa unang round pa lang.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have
Round 1.
ang araw po ito sa Clavero for champion.
Hindi matigas, so.
Pang-apat ay itong bata ni Marcos Maidana, ang undefeated champion ng Argentina na si Agustin Gauto. Bago tinapos ni Mel Fajardo ang laban sa round 2 ay pinabagsak na niya si Agustin Gauto sa unang round pa lang.
If I say break, step back, both of you. Check gloves and good luck.
Like Firewood, as I mentioned, is 108 pounds, so 7 stone 10 is too much to make on the scales yesterday. Good jab, nice jab there from Gauto, straight out of the gate.
Nice work, isn't it? It's a little thing with the eyes running to the belly. Nice jab to the head.
Left hook was short with it. Body shot there.
Left hook ending as well with the second attack.
I think he might feel he's hurting with one of those body shots because he's really getting on him there. Then back up to the head, but he was letting his hands go, putting his punches together well. Spaced down when he throws that jab, doesn't he? Steps into it. And he needs to, because Fajardo just stays kind of on the board and he takes those feet out well. Do you think he got through solidly with one of those body shots?
Yes, and particularly the second one for me.
He's just gone into his registered there, definitely into the final minute of round 1. Sharp back from Gauto, they both land at the same time. He's having a good opening round here. It's a Filipino fighter. This is already turning into a good fight. Right hand there from Gauto.
There from Gauto, he's got his hands go good.
So was just put straight down, no time left in the round, which is just as well. He's just got to pick his punches here, and it'll be very surprising if he doesn't get the win. Big left hand again there, straight at the start of the round. The gloves touchdown as well, but Fajardo just got to get on top of it.
He just needs to stay low for Fajardo and then come in with that left hook. Good fight by Gauto, rather than left hook.
Gauto hit by left hand, but he's trading here, which could be a problem. Good upper body movement from him. He shifts another left hand, big left hand again. There he touches, down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Left hand puts him onto his back, and he's just so fragile in there at the minute. That's the problem. The referee's given him extra time there. He missed the knockdown. There was a touchdown with the glove, which he missed, and then he was put down. Fajardo just looking for that left hook. Every single time he can throw it, he is throwing it. Dipping low at the waist there, touches down with the glove again, and the referee doesn't see it. That's another knockdown.
There's been a
Penalty. Fajardo leading in round 2.
shots.
Another big left hand, and he's taken those two somehow. He's thrown back himself. He goes down to his knees, more in exhaustion than anything else. But the referee does count him this time. This is a critical stage of his career, of course. He's 17-0. But I think he's done here, and it's only a matter of time, isn't it? Big left hand again there. The referee jumps in, and that's a good decision from the referee, who missed a couple of touchdowns.